Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to find out foreign key constraint name in table in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and we are in database. So we are going to find out foreign key constraint name in table. Now go to orders table. So click on it. Now you see all record on top, you see structure, so click on it. Now you see key name primary and then you see constraint name foreign key fk underscore order underscore customer. So this is a constraint name. If you want, you can find out constraint name also using query. Now go to SQL, so click on it. So we are going to paste query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see select constraint name, table name, column name, reference table name, reference column name, and then you see table name, so you can add your table name. So we added orders and then you see table schema Ali. So this is our database name. Now you see, and then click on go. Again you see constraint name foreign key order underscore customer, table name order, column name customer ID, reference table name customer, reference column name ID. So in this way you can find out foreign key constraint name using query or using structure settings. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.